Hey guys, and I'm going to be explaining Motorola's new Android smartphone, the Motorola X Phone. Yes, the Motorola X Phone. Yes, yeah. They've got quite good features on it. Like you can speak to the phone without even unlocking it. So you could say, "Oh, okay, Google, who is the president of the United States?" and then they'd say it already without you unlocking it and then going onto like the app and everything. But the specs on it, they're not as like advanced as the Samsung Galaxy S4, because like the Samsung Galaxy S4 has a 1080p screen, but the Motorola X Phone only has a 720p screen. But Motorola are trying to sell this phone to like the normal, average, everyday person, because like experts for like technology, they'd get a phone for like the specs, and like more of like geeks, yeah. They'd get like a smartphone if the specs were good, like not the features. But the everyday normal person would get a phone for like the features on it, because they wouldn't really know about the specs really. So like because the reason I got my phone, here, Samsung Galaxy Note 2, it's not because like the size is big and like everything. Like people probably think, well, why would you get a phone that big? But the specs on it are actually quite good. So yeah, I'm a bit of a geek, yes. So what they've tried to do, the Motorola, they've tried to like sell it. It's not really sold to like like loads of like geeks try to get like the latest smartphones and everything. And like what Motorola are trying to do, they're just trying to sell it to the average everyday person, because they've just changed the features from like any other smartphone. Because you can't do that with any other smartphone where you could just speak to the phone without even unlocking it. So like yeah, that's what Motorola are trying to do then. So that's an explanation of the Motorola X phone that's going to come out soon. Bye, YouTube.